Hello everyone, welcome to ITOT Cloud Systems. In this video, we are going to explore the Journey module in marketing automation. On the dashboard, you can see different sections like contacts, lead generation, and journey. So, let's understand what Journey actually is. Click on View Journey. After clicking, you will see all the previously created journeys. At the top, there is a drop-down where you can view all folders and unclassified journeys. On the side, you will find a filter funnel option. Inside the user filter, you can see the names of your team members under Created By. Below that, you can also view the journey status. Now let's create a new journey. Click on Create Journey and give your journey a name, for example, Journey Jungle. You can also add a description if needed, and then click on Next. Here, you will see many pre-designed templates. You can directly use these templates or take them as a reference for creating your own journey. There are different categories available such as Welcome and Thank You, Lead Nurture, Re-engagement, Web Engagement, Customer Success and Retention, Date-based, Webinar, Event. Each category contains multiple pre-designed journey templates. On the top right side, there is a Start from Scratch option. By clicking on it, you will get a blank template where you can design your own custom journey according to your requirements. Now let's use one of the pre-designed templates. Inside the Journey Builder, you will see different types of triggers. The first trigger is Added to List. Here, you can select existing lists or even create a new list. You can create and add multiple lists as well. There are many more triggers available like Removed from List, Added to Segment, Form Submission, Email Actions and many more. The second section is called Process. Inside it, you will find options like If, Else conditions. Here, you can set criteria, choose modifiers, and add values according to your requirement. If you want to add more conditions, simply click on the plus icon. Once done, click on Save. There are also options like Multi-way split, Check mail activity, Check SMS activity, Random split, Merge. Using random split, one path can be divided into multiple paths. And using Merge, multiple paths can be combined into one. The third section is Actions. Under Engagement Actions, you will find options like Send Email, Send SMS, Send WhatsApp. Below that, under Productivity, there are options like Add to List, Remove from List, Assign Tags. There are also CRM actions such as Push Data, Create Task, Create Deal. Using all these features, you can build powerful marketing journeys. For example, when contacts are added to a list, emails can automatically be sent to them. You can also add a time delay, whether it is a few hours or a few days. After setting up the email, you can track whether the email was delivered or opened. You can create separate flows for users who opened the email and for users who only received it. For users who opened the email, another email can be triggered after a time delay. You can also create different lists and merge them together. Similarly, for users who received the email but did not open it, you can create another trigger flow. You can add another email, apply a one-day delay, check email activity again, assign tags, merge the flow, and finally remove users from the journey if needed. This is how marketing automation journeys work. You can completely customize and design journeys according to your business requirements. If you want to launch the journey immediately, click on Review and Launch. Or, if you want to save it for later, simply click on the Save button. That's how the Journey module works in marketing automation. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected with us, and we'll see you in the next video.